How to create a proper affirmation statements. Here's how I walk people through it. First, piece of paper, just write, I am grateful for, and then list out 6 things that you are grateful that apply to your life, that are specific to your life. It could be something as simple as your pet, your phone, whatever it is. Just be grateful for something. If you really cannot find anything major, it could be something so simple like having clothes, having food, having a car, having a home, right? Whatever those things are, this is where we're going to prime your mind to be in a state of gratitude by saying, I am grateful for the following things that I have in my life. Make this list on your own, just 6 things quick. Don't write sentences. I am grateful for my home, my family, my job, my house, whatever it is that you want to put in there. Just kind of short and simple. And then you want to make a second list. In this one, you say, I want in my life. And then you list out 6 things that you want. It doesn't have to be 6. It could be 10. It could be 20. Just I work off of 6 so you can make at least 5 or 6 decent statements. This is not just things, but this is how you want to feel, how you want to be, who you want to be, where do you want to live, how do you want to live. All of those things control I want in my life. So what is it that you want? What is that picture that you're drawing with this paintbrush? What does that look like? Summarize here. Like for me, I want a new home. I want to have confidence and lifestyle of traveling and speaking. So I have that in my wants. To complete the actual affirmation, we take those 2 pieces of information and we put them together. So fill in the blanks like this. I'm so thankful and grateful now that I live in a beautiful home. I have an amazing spouse. No matter what you live in or what your spouse is or what's happening in your life, you say it like it already is. You are being grateful for what you have, and you also are saying that you're thankful for that you now have what you want. This is that act as if part, right? This is where you are looking at it and going, you are mentally in your virtual world are going to act as if you are already in possession of those things or feel those things or have or achieve whatever your goals are. But there are a few do's and don'ts here. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below. And if you know anyone who could benefit from the information in my videos, please share it with them.